The first recipe is a refreshing Orange Ade. Start off with freshly juicing 2 oranges. Pour the juice into a cup with a strainer to remove all the pulp and seeds and add some ice with it. Now we're going to add soda water. If you don't have soda water, you can use sparkling water or Sprite. Mix it well and pour it into your cup. There you have it, a refreshing Orangeade.
The next recipe is a classic lemonade. We're going to start off by scrubbing the outer part of our lemon with baking soda. Note that this is a very important step because scrubbing it with baking soda actually kills any chemical residue that could be left on your lemon. And now we rinse it. Next, thinly slice your lemons and make sure to remove all the seeds from the middle. Add half a cup of sugar per lemon used. And in this video, since we only used 1 lemon, we're only using half a cup of sugar. But if you're using more at home, then adjust accordingly. Start mixing the lemon and the sugar, and it's going to slowly form into a syrup. Place this into an airtight jar and store in your refrigerator for at least 3 hours. Every hour or so, flip the jar over so that the sugar doesn't settle at the bottom and become like a brick. The longer you wait, the sweeter your lemon is going to taste. This is what your syrup should look like after a couple hours. Go ahead and fill a cup with ice and take a couple slices of the lemon and maybe even a couple spoons of the syrup and just put it all on top. You can go ahead and top that all off with soda water, and if you don't have soda water, you can obviously substitute it for sparkling water or even Sprite. Voila! The perfect drink for summer.
First, we start off with some strawberries, which we will then mash into a pulp. Then add the strawberries to a cup of ice. And now you can simply top it up with some mint. Fill the cup with some soda water. If you don't have soda water, you can replace it with Sprite or sparkling water. Finally, make sure you mix the drink well. There you have it, a simple strawberry and mint Ade.